In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change Steam EA account or unlink Steam from EA. By the end, you'll know exactly how to disconnect your Steam profile from your EA account safely and confidently, with a clear understanding of what to expect along the way. First, open your EA account and sign in. Make sure you are using the EA account that's currently linked to your Steam. If you manage more than one account, take a moment to confirm you are in the right one before moving on. Using a private or incognito window can help prevent the wrong account from auto-signing in. Next, go to the EA account settings portal. This is the central place where EA lets you manage your profile, security, preferences, and connections. Once you are there and signed in, you are in the right spot to handle any linked platforms. Inside Settings, look for the Connected Accounts tab. This section lists the platforms and services tied to your EA account, including Steam. It's essentially your overview page for integrations. So take a second to review what's connected and make sure the Steam profile shown is the one you intend to remove. Now, locate your Steam account in that list and click Unlink next to it. This action begins the process of disconnecting your Steam identity from this EA account. Unlinking is useful if you are troubleshooting access issues or preparing to connect a different EA account later. Just remember, disconnecting here only removes the link. It doesn't delete either account. You'll see a disclaimer screen. Read it carefully because it outlines what unlinking can affect. Certain entitlements, add-ons, or game progress may be associated with the EA account you are leaving. And some links can have restrictions about how or when they can be reconnected, if you are downloading or playing any EA titles through Steam at the moment. It's a good idea to close them first to avoid sync problems. When you are ready, check the I understand box, and click Unlink again to confirm. That's it. Thanks for watching.